If you ride with me, you gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes.
All right, Go Automotive fans, welcome back. This is day 2 on the Subaru mystery wrap. Just finished up the clear bra, gonna take it out, detail it, prep it, start disassembling it, taking it all apart so we can start wrapping it tomorrow. Excited, doesn't even begin to explain how I'm feeling. Wait until you guys see this color. Got her back into the auto spa, detailed, prepped. Now it's time to disassemble. We've got to take the vinyl off of the roof and the roof. I've got satin black on it now, so we're gonna pull that off. We got to take the tail lights off, the door handles off, the hood scoop off, parts of the grill, the headlights as well. This is gonna be a good one for you guys to tap into. I'll do a couple time lapse, and I'll also explain some of the things that I'm doing as well, just in case you need to work on your Subaru at home. Here we go.
Stay in control in the name of love. Ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes.
All right, the back end is completely removed, all disassembled. We got the tail lights removed, the reverse lights removed, the trim on the hatch removed. I also removed the lid on this gas cap. And what this is going to allow us to do is just to give us an opportunity for a cleaner install. I've got a couple more pieces to remove, the antenna, these door handles, and everything up front. So let's get to it. As I mentioned, we have a couple things on this front end that we have to remove. Starting with the headlights, we'll also remove the scoop or this trim on the hood scoop. And I'll also remove this trim here that goes along this grill, as I will be wrapping these different colors. So headlights, trim, scoop, front end will be done. Let's get to it. I will say I'm familiar with taking these vehicles apart, but I've never taken a Subaru apart. So it's taking me a little bit longer than it should, but it's okay. I'm learning. Never rush the process, trust the process. Yes, the hood's up because I'm trying to figure it out, but I'm gonna figure it out. Just like that, breakdown is all finished. For those that didn't know, you do have to remove the bumper to remove these headlights. Something that I didn't know until today, but I had to remove the bumper anyway as we're wrapping it tomorrow. So the front bumper came off, the grill came off, the headlights came off, the hood scoop came off, the windshield wiper sprayers came off, the fuel door came off, the tail lights came off, the reverse lights came off, the trim along that back hatch came off, also the antenna came off. The only thing that we have left tomorrow is to remove these door handles and this WRX trim here on the fender. But other than that, day 2 is all complete on the Subaru mystery wrap. Thank you guys for staying tapped in. Thank you guys for following the series. Subscribe to see future videos like this. And of course, we'll have this thing wrapped very, very soon. We got the color just sitting back here, waiting to be installed. Yes, sir. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 2 complete.